Hello dear student, good afternoon to all. So today I am going to start our next lecture, that is methods of composting. In that we discuss on two methods, Bangalore method or known as pit method and second NADEP method. So last lecture we discuss on first method, that is Indore method, also known as heap method. Okay, also 2 to 3 lectures, last 2 to 3 lecture we discuss on some manures, their manures preparation methods, different manures preparation methods, their chemical composition. Okay, and some important point regarding objectives. Okay, so today I am going to start our next two methods as well as factors affecting process of composition, as well as some important question on composting. Okay, so let's start. Second method, that is Bangalore, also known as pit method. So this method is also known as hot fermentation method, and this method developed by C.N. Acharya at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. It is an anaerobic decomposition method, means in the absence of oxygen. This decomposition is completely done in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so in this anaerobic microorganism break down organic material in the absence of oxygen and produce methane as well as carbon dioxide. Okay, first gas should produce, that is methane, and second is carbon dioxide. Okay, so then see some reactions of decomposition process, that is reactions means organic acids converted into methane and carbon dioxide. Also organic nitrogen is also converted to ammonia. Okay, also this composition of in Bangalore method of compost, that is nitrogen is 1.4%, phosphorus 1%, and potassium oxide, that is 1.4%. Okay, so see the next step by step how to fill the trench. Okay, in this method the material is allowed to remain in the pit or trench, okay, throughout the period of decomposition. Also in that decomposition that eliminates the turnings and watering. So last method we discussed some watering and turning process. Indore method also have a 3 turning process, 14 days, 28 days and 2 months old. But in that process have no any turning, also watering. Also in that method no loss of evaporation, also as pit is sealed with mud plaster. Okay, and cow dung slurry. Also less loss of organic matter and nitrogen. It is fully packed above the ground level also. Okay, then this trench of suitable size like 915 centimeter long, 91 centimeter height and 183 centimeter broad. Okay, also this dug site selected from compost deposit. Okay, also there have one precaution takes place, that is this site of decomposition process should be away from 200 meter from outskirt and town, because it preferably should not situated on the western side on town, since wind generally blow from west to east most of the part of the year. Okay, that's why one precaution is take place, that decomposition process should be takes place away from the town up to 200 meter. Then the first layer of kachra means street whipping or refuse, okay, added in 6 inches thick in spread of the bottom of trench, also 2 inches in other plant parts or other kachra. Then also in that normally night soil flow itself. Okay, this is the material for applied in the trenches or spread in the trenches. Okay, then see this layer of kachra and night soil are added alternately one by one. Okay, 3 inches add the some kachra, 2 inches add some night soil. This layer should be alternately down in some kachra then night soil. Okay, also the whole pit is filled in this way till heap is raised 1 foot above the ground level. Okay, 1 foot above the ground level, and finally the heap is made dome shaped. Okay, dome shape means concave shape, and these dome shaped plastered with cow dung and mud. Okay, and these also protect from this trench should be protect from rain also, as well as sunlight exposure. Okay, also to check the foul smells, to avoid the nitrogen losses and minimize the flies. Okay, so this is the one precaution should be takes place. It continuously checking the foul smell or volatilization of nitrogen if this process is completed. Then this compost is ready, means full decomposition process takes place in the 6 month. Then this anaerobic microorganism break down the organic material in the absence of oxygen, also produce methane and carbon dioxide gases. Okay, so this is the first method and their procedure, how to fill that trench, and decomposition method. Also this is anaerobic method, it form methane and carbon dioxide also, and some reactions takes place after at the time of decomposition process. Okay, this is second method, that is Bangalore or peat method. Okay, so now let's start next method, that is NADEP method. So NADEP method of composting, this method is developed by Narayan Devrao Pandhari Pandey, also known as Narayan Rao Panda. Also this is aerobic decomposition method. So in decomposition method, two methods are aerobic and one is anaerobic. Okay, Indore method and NADEP method is the aerobic decomposition method, and Bangalore method is anaerobic decomposition method. Okay, so this procedure required 3 to 4 months for obtaining the final products, means it required 3 to 4 months full decomposition of that material. Also this method is situated above the ground level, not a trenches or any pit. Okay, so see the chemical composition of NPK NADEP method in that. So nitrogen is 0.5 to 1.5%, phosphorus is means phosphorus pentoxide, that is 1.5 to 0.9%, potassium oxide is 1.2 to 1.4%. So these are the available forms of NPK. Okay, then see selection of site and construction of tank, how to select that site and construct that tank above the ground level. That tank should be located near the cattle shed or easily approaches to farm site. Also the tank are constructed on soil surface, as well as the size of the tank, that is a 10 into 6 into 3, means long, broad and deep. Okay, also this tank prepared with the help of bricks or mud. Also the circulation of air, proper holes of 7 inches on that. See that picture there on that tank, there's a 7 inches proper hole are prepared to remove the one bricks or other part. Also these holes, okay, for continuous flowing of oxygen. Okay, this because it is aerobic decomposition method. Also the wall of the fluoro tank should be plastered with dung and mud mixture also. This is the selection of site and how to form that trench above ground level. Then material, which material required for that method, that is farm residue. Okay, like weed, grasses, leaves, rotten or stems, other up to required 1400 kg above. Then cattle shed dung, that is 90 to 100 kg. Then dry sieved soil above about 1000 to 2000 kg, that is urinated earth, more effective. Then water according to season. These 4 material required for NADEP decomposition. Then see methods filling of the tank. How to fill that tank? That's the slurry of cow dung and water should be sprinkled on earth. Okay, firstly make the slurry of cow dung and water. It is sprinkled on the earth firstly. Then first layer of plant residue spread evenly in the layer to thickness of 6 inches. Up to means that layer to use the 100 to 110 kg material. Then second layer of cattle dung or again gobar gas slurry about 4 to 5 kg in 125 to 150 liter water is spread on the first layer. Okay, this is continuous or alternately process in this layer. Then third layer consists of dry sieve soil, okay, spread on the second layer. Then again sprinkler the water. This tank also fill with the till up to material above ground level, that is 1.5 feet above the ground level, means above the bricks level. Then make a hut shaped plaster with, means it is make the dome shaped and plastered with cow dung and mud slurry. Okay, this tank should be filled in within 1 or 2 days. Okay, then after 15 to 20 days material becomes compact and goes down by 8 to 9 inches. Okay, then again fill that tank, okay, and sealed properly. But in that tank maintain the moisture up to 15 to 20% throughout the decomposition process. Also this process should be completed in 3 to 4 months, means compost is ready within 3 to 4 months. Okay, also that from one tank about 3 tons material should be obtained on that particular size of that pit. That size is 10 feet long, 6 feet broad and 3 feet deep. In that trench or in that tank we take 3 tons material, okay, obtained within 3 to 4 months. Okay, so this is the third method of composting. Okay, then see some factors affecting the process of composting. There have 10 factors. In that CN ratio, fineness of the material, moisture, aeration, temperature, microorganism, use of inoculant, calcium phosphate, ammonium phosphate and suitable starter, also as destruction of some pathogen organism. That factors affect on process of composting. Also that factors affect on composition of the compost, means NPK content, changes the NPK content in that. So first is that is CN ratio. Okay, so CN ratio means containing wider CN ratio is used, that is carbon and nitrogen percentage also more, that material used, that microorganism fix the available nutrient and their own use. If it is not available to the crops in the process of compost making, the CN ratio also lower to 20 or below 20. That if their CN ratio is below 20, that release the available nitrogen or nutrient from microbial decomposition process and that available to the crops in proper time. Okay, means use the high CN ratio for this decomposition process. Also that CN ratio affect on chemical composition of compost. Then second, that is fineness of material. So material is used that like a lignin makes long period of decomposition, means some material should be easily decomposed and some material is not easily decomposed. So that material is depend on which type of composition, which type of material used for decomposition process. Okay, means see the if material containing higher amount of lignin, that takes a long period of for decomposition, also fat, waxes. Then while residue containing 60% cellulose or hemicellulose, that takes less rapid decomposition process. Also some plant parts used, that is tender plant parts used. This means that the fineness of material also affect on composition of compost. Then moisture, third factor, that is moisture, that is moisture level should be maintained around 50% in all methods, also for increase the microbial decomposition method, because compost is the fully microbial decomposition methods. Okay, aerobic, anaerobic, it used some microorganism. So if it maintain the moisture percentage 50%, that increase the microbial activity in that material. Then see next factor, that is aeration. In that aeration, this is essential for initial stages of decomposition and also secured by the turning and heaps. Also well aerated reduce the period of decomposition. Means if it depends on your material, okay. Well aeration also increase the decomposition process, also less aeration also reduce the decomposition process. Then next, temperature. Okay, last method we know the, for that method required 65 to 70 ounce degree Celsius temperature. For higher temperature reduce the microbial activity, also increase the loss of gaseous ammonia due to atmosphere. Up to 20 to 30 ounce degree Celsius temperature is obtained for the fully decomposition process. Means in that, for decomposition of the normal material it require only 20 to 30 ounce degree Celsius temperature. But if increase the 65 to 70 ounce degree Celsius, it reduce the microbial activity in that material and also reduce the decomposition process. Then see microorganisms. Okay, in that microorganism, higher population of beneficial microorganism is necessary, mostly fungi, also bacteria, actinomyces, and proper decomposition and kinds of amount of microbial decide to rate of decomposition. Means if in it microbial population is more, that decomposition rate is fast. Okay, then inoculant, use of inoculant. Since use of microbial inoculant, especially decomposing fungus, is recommended for rapid decomposition process. Means which type of inoculant used for decomposition process. Then calcium phosphate and ammonium sulfate. So those chemicals, okay, recommended to avoid the loss of ammonia to the atmosphere. Then see suitable starter. That suitable starter material rich in nitrogen also added for initiating the microbial action. Also cattle dung, urine, night soil, sewage. Also inorganic fertilizer like calcium cyanamide, ammonium sulfate, sodium nitrate, etc. are used for a decomposition process. Okay, and also increase the or initiating the microbial action in the material. Then last factor, that is destruction of pathogenic organism. So this factor also they make the material unhygienic and likely to spread a serious diseases. So these some factors also affect on decomposition process for compost making. Okay. So these are some 10 factors affecting on compost making. Then see some assignment questions. In that definition of FYM compost, okay, composting, farm compost, town compost. So today it's over the FYM and compost topic. In that we discuss general reactions of microorganism, methods, or see the questions on for assignment. Okay, then see some important hints for objective purpose, that is Indore method or HIP method also known as, is method by Albert Howard and Indore, Madhya Pradesh in 1924 to 1931, also known as Albert Howard, also known as modern organic farming. Also this method is aerobic decomposition method. Then second method, that is Bangalore method or pit method. This method also known as hot fermentation method, and this method developed by C.N. Acharya in 1939 at Indian Institute of Bangalore. It is anaerobic decomposition method. Then see third method, that is NADEP. NADEP method developed by Sri Narayan Devrao Pandari Pandey, and it is the old Gandhian worker also known as, popularly known as NADEP Kaka. And this is also aerobic decomposition method and required 90 to 120 days for fully decomposition process. These some important hints regarding compost. Also in that add different sizes of the pit or tanks. Also add their chemical composition of different method. This important point in that method. If any difficulty regarding this topic, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.